Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys something that I think is super helpful to anyone who does delivery driving or rideshare driving, and this will help you save time, be more efficient while you're on the road, and make more money. So who doesn't want to make more money? I'm pretty sure everyone watching here wants to make more money. Today I wanted to talk about Para, which is this awesome app that you can download with our link down below in the description. But Para has this new auto decline feature that I want to tell you guys about. So let's just get started. Make sure you keep watching if you want to find out more. So Para now offers an auto decline feature for all Android and iPhone users, so drivers can multi-app successfully. This can be used with Lyft, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. So if you don't know about multi-apping, basically it's using multiple apps at once while you're driving so that you have less downtime and you can make more money that way. Let's say you are going out to do some Uber rides, and between rides you're kind of just sitting waiting around for the next offer to come. If you have Lyft and Uber running at the same time, then you can see like which one comes up first and which one has a better offer for you. So that's basically what multi-apping is. We have other videos on the channel that get more into it, but I wanted to talk to you guys more about what Para does and how Para can help you. Para is actually the only app that helps rideshare drivers auto decline offers from both iPhone and Android. So what this does is that it will automatically decline offers that you get on any of these apps, so you don't have to manually like sift through them or like accept all of these offers that aren't worth it to you. So you can set your boundary to be like, let's say you want it to decline any offer that is under $15. It'll do that for you automatically, and that way you'll only be getting in offers that are above $15, and you're really maximizing your time out on the road and the money that you're making while you're doing that. Also, just wanted to mention that Para updates faster than partner applications, so there may be a lag in notifications you receive in these partner applications. So just as a little example, like with Grubhub, the declines may look like missed offers, but eventually they get registered as declined. Now, in addition to the auto decline feature, there's an auto resume feature. Basically, after 3 or more missed offers, when Grubhub kicks you out of the app, Para actually has it set up so you can remain online and not miss anything. You'll keep getting incoming offers even though the Grubhub app says something else, and that way you can continue to see like what other orders are out there for you to be able to take. So auto decline actually works on stacked orders too. Stacked orders are a great way to really maximize your time and make the most amount of money while you're being a delivery driver. Para has just released these new auto decline features, and they're building other more powerful features to ensure driver safety and improve their profit. So you'll see on the Para app when you download it, link down below, you can see your dollars per mile that you're driving, like the dollars you make, and dollars per hour for each platform. You can see the same thing for your stacked orders. You can see the distance between the pickup and the drop-off, between the driver and the pickup, and between the driver and the drop-off. There are special offer filters where you can filter out order and pay and shop and pay, and you can even set a minimum passenger rating so that you don't have to deal with any passengers who have a terrible rating. Let's say the rating is like 4.5 or below. You can change it so that you only get riders that are above that threshold. Now, other things that are coming out soon that you want to look out for with Para is that they're adding restaurant and keyword filters and location-based filtering. This way you can like really customize the work that you're doing, so you're not settling for less and doing these random things that like you don't want to be doing that are kind of a waste of time. Para is available on the App Store and the Android Store. You can check it out. We have a link down below. Also, if you ever have any problems with Para or you have any other questions, they have an email that you can reach out to, and it's help@withpara.com. I'll have it up on the screen so you can see that. That way you can reach out with any questions and they will be able to help you from there. Anyways guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, once again, link in the description so you can download Para. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.